Alrighty, welcome to the next installment of Mazda 6 engine failure. First thing you need to do before you remove these engines is remove the injectors, because they are cleverly put through a plastic rocker cover, as we can see. But number one injector is completely seized to the point where we may have to just destroy the rocker cover to get it out, which we've already done so. And so far we have an engine crane, as we can see. Nice, good, sturdy engine crane designed for lifting engines, connected to the injector. If I can just grab this bit of pipe with my other hand, putting pressure on the injector, trying to put a lot of strain on to try and keep the pressure on the upward side whilst moving the injector with this bit of pipe, which is currently designed for jacking up cars, not for removing injectors. But the problem is the carbon has built up between the injector body and the aluminium sleeve that it slots into in the cylinder head. It's effectively welded itself to the cylinder head. So there you have it. That is how to remove the injectors from Mazda 6 2.2 diesel before you either A, destroy the rocker cover, or B, destroy the bonnet and possibly the camshaft when you eventually give up on the strain of the engine crane and use a big jemmy bar to lever off it with a hammer. Anyway, we'll keep you updated on this. Thanks for watching. Please share, hit the like button, share on social media, leave a comment, all of the good stuff. Appreciate all your efforts and likes and all that. Again, thanks for watching.